Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Dual-Act. So this is a gel-like cleansing lotion that melts on the skin, and it can be used on wet or dry skin. And it's designed for combination skin and those prone to breakouts. And you don't need a lot. So that's all I've got. And you're just going to here, neck, here, and then right into your nose as well. And you're just going to use circular motions to cleanse your skin. Start at the neck and work up. So this is perfect to purify and balance the skin. It helps to deeply cleanse without stripping any of the natural oils from your skin as well. So now you can just remove it with a face cloth or just hop straight into the shower. And if you'd like to buy this or any other Temple Spa product, then just click the link in the comments below the video.